Here's our planer, and this is for, of course, you get rough sawed lumber. If you get a 2x6 off a mill, it measures 2x6, and it's all rough. And these smooth. The job of this is to shave some off that 2x6 or whatever you put through here, and make it smooth and make it consistent thickness and width. That's the purpose of a planer. When you buy a 2x6, it's actually 1.5 by 5.5 is what you're getting. This planer is old. Manufactured by the S.A. Woods Machine Company out of Boston. It's number 128. Okay, I learned a little bit about this machine. There are 4 patent dates on these. This one has March the 10th, 1885, February 19th, 1889. And then there's one in 1893 and one in 1897. But this one only has 1885 and 1889. So that means this planer had to have been manufactured between 1889 and 1893. So this thing's at least 130 years old. Dad did this when I was a kid. I wasn't a kid, I was a teenager, but he bought this from the neighbor. And he took the Babbitt bearings, like it was in parts. He took the Babbitt bearings out of it and put high-speed ball bearings on. And we put blowers on, just did stuff to make it more user-friendly and modernize it a bit. But what you're seeing here is a 130-year-old machine. This takes a bit of tractor, like guaranteed it was run by a steam engine originally. I'm going to run it with my Super W6, which is considered an antique, and it's nothing compared to this. It's 71 years old. And this is 130. It won't be today, but it will be in this video. We're gonna put this thing to work. Well, it's quite a pile of shavings we got out of this. Rough 2x8s like these. These ones are were bent sideways mighty bad, so I didn't put them through. I figured they'd cause trouble, so I took left these two out. We turned planks like rough 2x8s like this. Some of them were up to 2.5 inch thick. The finished result right here. Just your plain, regular plain 2x8. They're 1.5 inch thick and 7.25 wide. We're going to use this stuff to build the wood shed. Dad sawed these a few years ago. Here's another pile of them. He sawed these a few years ago, and today we just cleaned them and use which ones are salvageable and build their building. Well, God bless you all. Catch you up in the next video. Please like and subscribe.